So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be learning how to play Qwirkle. This is a really fun game. I got it for Christmas and it is for 2 to 4 players, but if you have a big group, you can also play in teams, and it's for ages 6 and up. The game comes with a bag with 108 wooden tiles of different colors and shapes. So here's how you get started. Okay, so first divide 6 wooden tiles to each person and stand them up like this so nobody can see, just like this. Then to determine who goes first, we're going to see how many matches each person gets. A match is 2 to 6 of the same shape, but they must be different colors. And 2 to 6 of the same color, but they must be different shapes. My amount of matches is 1, 2, 3, and same with the other one. 1, 2, 3. Now we just have to wait for the other players to see how many matches they have. If people have less than me, 0, 1, or 2, then I would start. If I am tied with somebody, let's say somebody also has 3, then it is a matter of fact of who is older. If it's a group, then it's the age combined. Let's say everybody was younger than me or they were lower than me, then I would start. I'm going to start off by putting down these 3. Now, to make sure we have 6 in an inventory at all times, we're going to collect 3 more. And this counts as 1, 2, 3 points. We collect our inventory and it moves on to the next person's turn. Here's the next person. This person can now move here. This equals to 2 points. Here, that's 3, and here, that's 4. This is 4 points. Here's another orange, but you cannot put this here because there's already an orange circle. This is one rule that is not allowed. So after they add that to the scoreboard, this person has 4 points, collects their inventory from the bag, and then it moves on to the next person's turn. Now here's the next person. It's pretty simple. This move, and down here, this is called a Qwirkle. There are 6 different shapes and 6 different colors in this game. When you have 6, this is called a Qwirkle. This is normally 6 points, but because there's only 6 different shapes and colors, you got a 6 extra bonus. So good luck. Wow. Here we go. We're going to collect their inventory. 12 points to their chart. Then it moves on to the next person's turn. Okay, so here's the next person. This one could go there, but again, there's already a star there. What this person can do is move here. This is worth 3 points. But remember, you can only do 1 move because this person can do 2 moves. There we go. This is 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because both purples in both circles. But you can only do 1 move. So this is worth 3 points. This was 4. I bet this person want to get more points. So they can go there and they have to keep these. Then they collect their inventory, which is only 1 more, and then it moves on to the next person's turn. After you go around the circle quite a while, and then the inventory bag is getting lower and lower, when there is no more, you can always have less, but you're always supposed to collect 6, but if there's no more, it's okay to have 6. Also, if you cannot play at any time, then you must either draw away 1 to 6 tiles, so get rid of 1 to 6 tiles, and then receive the amount that you've lost. That only counts as 1 turn. You cannot do another one after that. So after you give and receive, you cannot put down any pieces. It just has to move on to the next person's turn. Also, once you have gotten rid of all of your tiles and there's nothing to draw from the bag anymore, that person gets an extra 6 bonus. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is a good description and explains this well. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!